Congratulations.
Thank you very much, Doctor.
You're welcome, sir.
Well, I really appreciate it.
Enjoy your new life and your quality of life.
I know there's still a lot of work to do, but I'm determined to get back to my life.
Awesome. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right. Good morning, I'm Dr. Deuk at Deuk Spine Institute. I'm here with one of our Deuk laser disc repair patients, and you had surgery yesterday.
Yes, I did.
And you went home right after your surgery.
Yes, I did.
And you're back here today for a checkup. How are you feeling today?
I'm 100% better.
Okay, and what was bothering you before surgery?
I had tremendous pain in the middle of my lower back and down on both legs.
Okay, and what did we do for you yesterday?
You gave me laser surgery, and we repaired 3 ruptured discs.
And when did you notice the back pain was gone?
This morning. I mean, completely gone. I still had some soreness yesterday, but this morning when I got out of bed, I was amazed.
So gone?
Gone.
Yeah, and you have some soreness from the surgery where we put the metal tube in.
Right.
That's going to go away in a few days. But your back pain that you've had since 1983...
83, 84, yes.
...is gone.
It's gone.
And the leg symptoms you've had, how long did you have the leg pain?
Leg pain, but I would say 15 years.
15
off
years.
And on.
15-year leg pain, and is it still there?
No, it's gone.
Gone. Deuk laser disc repair, we fixed 3 discs, and his back and leg pain he's had for 15 years to 1983, that's like 40 years, is gone overnight. Congratulations.
Thank you very much, Doctor.
You're welcome, sir.
Well, I really appreciate it.
Enjoy your new life and your quality of life.
I know there's still a lot of work to do, but I'm determined to get back to my life.
Awesome. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right.